Hej allihopa och välkommen till en helt ny torsdagsvideo med en svensk reagerar. Hoppas ni har haft en bra vecka allihopa. Det har jag haft. Idag ska vi vidga våra vyer. Vi ska prova på att kolla på en ny kanal. Vi ska kolla på Shadowman. Och vi ska kolla på en video som heter Scariest Ghost Footage that makes viewers uncomfortable. Och vad jag har hört så ska han vara rätt läskig, så jag hoppas att det stämmer. Utan att dra ut på det för mycket, jag tycker bara vi kör igång. Vi drar på oss täckefilt, gör det bekvämt för oss, släcker belysningen, höjer volymen på max vanligt, och så kör vi bara. Kom igen! Så då hoppas jag att ni är redo. 3 djupa andetag så kör vi. Kom igen!
Scariest ghost footage making viewers uncomfortable. Inglefield Hall. Ghost Tech Paranormal Investigations, a group from the UK, recently returned to Inglefield Hall, a place the team had visited before in the past. The old building was built in the 1880s and has been used as many things throughout the last 120 plus years, including a coffee tavern, a temperance hotel, and even a safe haven providing classrooms for children during the war in the 1940s. Jeff, the lead investigator, along with Mark and Phil, also investigators, explored the building in hopes of getting some answers as to the history of the place. The following footage features the highlights of what they discovered last visit.
Bloody hell, it ain't half dark in here, Phil.
It certainly is. Can't see anything.
No.
There's definite knocking.
That's so cool. Oh.
What was it?
Hold on. Hello?
Oh. Orbs.
I'm standing in one of the rooms on the ground floor.
Oh.
Whoa.
What was that?
Lite barn.
That was a child's voice.
It sounded like it, didn't it?
Whoa, shit.
What?
Something's moving.
Telefonring.
Basically, you
Glömde
brought
stänga av
out
ljudet.
clothing, didn't you?
Noises from the stage area, Phil. There was knocking.
Yeah, definitely. Come and talk to me. Tell me what it was like in here.
Lite tickande ljud.
Was that you, Jeff? Okay, there was 3 knocks there. Thank you. Could you come over and stand?
It was like a man whispering. I don't know if it was for me or if it was.
Okay.
Come into this room. Run into this room.
Okej. Åh, fy fan, det rys. Skugga.
Someone
Oh,
was
weird.
speaking. As I got just down there, I could hear someone speaking.
En elak jäkel.
Someone's coming down the stairs.
Talk to me about
Someone's walking in the main hall. I can hear the creaking of the floor.
Skugga som gick igen. Jag gick förbi dörren.
No.
where are you?
Hey! Who are you?
Skuggfigur här. Ville.
What's your name? I saw you. What's your name?
You okay, buddy?
Yeah, I'm alright.
What was the figure like?
What's going on? What?
Someone just pushed me into the wall and I bent my fingers back. It's in here.
Throughout the last visit, the team of investigators managed to capture a bunch of anomalies that most would consider amazing proof of the paranormal or afterlife. From footsteps walking along floorboards to children's voices and apparitions creeping through the back rooms in the dark, the team have caught almost everything you can imagine. In Jeff's latest video, he investigates Inglefield Hall again, this time with just Phil. They both capture even more fascinating content that would surprise most. For that though, head down into the description of this video where I'll place a direct link to the full video. Ghost Tech Paranormal Investigations has some of the best scary content online, a must-watch for any paranormal enthusiast.
Kanske man ska kolla på senare någon gång.
Imaginary Friend. The following couple of videos come to us from the TikTok account nmatnvj. In October of last year, this user recorded a video of their daughter in what looks to be their living room. However, it's what happened in the background that caused the short clip to go somewhat viral.
Oh, under sängen. Oh. Whoa! Okay.
On another occasion, the same recorder caught something odd on camera around their child again, this time while at night playing some video games.
What? Okay. Creepy. Jag hatar dockor.
A doll in the background can be seen moving not once but twice. It appears that the recorder is unaware of this at the time, and was almost certainly made aware of this after uploading the video.
Måste ju nästan vara en docka där som, alltså, som rör sig sådär. Upp och ner, kanske en sån som håller för ögonen eller någonting, jag vet inte. Sen lite märkligt att det är liksom en hög och så sitter den där längst upp också, så att det kan ju lika gärna vara en handdocka eller någonting, jag vet inte. Det är jävligt creepy.
One last example shows the parent coming into what looks like the child's bedroom to see a kid's toy flashing on and off,
Och en hand då?
seemingly on its own.
Kolla handen över sängen. Där. Oh.
These weird and just plain creepy things have only led their followers to believe that either their child or house is haunted by something otherworldly. Could this unknown family have something ghostly in their house or neighborhood? You decide that for yourself.
Oh.
You can catch all 3 of these creepy clips and many more on the original creator's TikTok page at NEMattNVJ. The historic Jefferson Hotel. You may remember in the past I featured a couple of videos from Jeremy and Pam Jones, the new owners of the historic Jefferson Hotel. The 150-plus-year-old hotel is known to be one of the most haunted buildings in America. For more than a year now, they have been publishing the odd events that they experience to their YouTube channel. The Joneses have opted to match the interior decorations to the hotel's Victorian exterior. There are also antiques in every room as well as throughout the entire hotel, which probably only add to the creepy vibes. This time last year, Jeremy recorded this creepy moment on camera.
Video I'm going to show everybody
Nej, inte dockor.
something that I just captured. It was kind of crazy.
It's been a little while since I tour. Here's the new stairwell we put in. We added some more dolls to our ballroom. That particular doll is over 100 years old.
Alright, so I don't know if you caught it, but what had happened was I was given another little video tour that I do when we add some more items to the rooms or whatever. So we added some more dolls to this room, which is our dolls and stuff room. And as I walked in the room, I heard a noise going down the hall right there. And so I turned and looked, and as soon as I turned to look, one of the dolls fell over in the room. I thought that was kind of weird because it had been standing up against the wall. So I'll play the whole video, you can watch.
Dolls to our doll room. That particular doll is over 100 years old.
Där, 3 stycken där. Oj. Fy fan.
You'll see that she's standing right here. Right there, the one with the red suspenders. And then, now she's not.
Kul! Vad roligt. Inte alls creepy. Hur fan hon ska röra sig nu.
That was weird. I looked down the hall because I heard a noise, and then
Fy fan.
this doll falls over. And this doll
Hur mycket dockor för mig där.
was set up against the wall. Alright, well that was weird.
Oh.
But I heard a noise down here, like someone was walking.
So this has happened before in the hotel when something will get my attention one way. I'll hear a noise or something. And then I'll turn and you'll have activity. So just a weird clip that I got that I want to share with you guys.
Fast forward.
Varför fylla ett rum med såna här äckliga dockor? Gamla dockor. Hemskt.
A year, and Jeremy uploaded a video that provided something spooky for more than just himself and his wife. A car club came out to the hotel on Halloween night of last year for an experience they probably will never forget. Listen to this.
The DFW chapter of the Ferrari Club of America came out and visited the historic Jefferson Hotel on Halloween night. Well, they brought some beautiful vehicles, and they also wanted to see some of the happenings that they've Googled on the internet about the hotel. So we decided to take them up to the disappointments room in our attic, which is off limits to our guests. Up there, we actually experienced quite a few things. This one was amazing. It was a disembodied sighing voice that nobody could figure out where it came from. It just emitted out of thin air. Now, this first video I'm going to show you is actually a screen capture
fy fan vad det är.
from one of our
Ont i hjärtat.
guests' phones. So this is not the best footage, but you can hear the sigh the best. And then we'll show you the full high quality footage and also an EVP that was captured.
Loops around the hole, so it's pretty big. So this is about 13,000 square feet.
What the hell was that?
Holy shit.
Okay, seriously.
Oh, hell no.
All right, so right after I say 13,000 square feet, you can hear the sigh.
So this is about 13,000 square feet.
So it's interesting. After I got the high quality video, I was listening and I noticed that there's an EVP actually captured. Let me pull up the high quality video and just watch you listen for yourself. Here we go.
I'm taking it all off, but I'm gonna leave this. However, yeah, the attic is crazy. Let me tell you this real quick. All right, let me move this. So the way that the attic is, when we exit here, I'm gonna show you. On the left side, there's a hole, and there's 3 different layers to the attic.
Here it comes,
and
right here.
One layer is only about 2 foot tall, and I was running some.
The red
Ethernet
back there
cable,
is our disappointments room.
That section loops around the hole, so it's pretty big. So this is about 13,000 square feet. What
the hell was that?
Holy shit.
Okay, seriously.
Oh, hell no.
That was someone.
That was like
That was you, right?
Oh, hell no.
No, that
Ja,
was.
det var sagt då.
That was someone.
So you can hear, I'm going to turn it up a little bit. After everybody was in disbelief, after the sighing, someone says, "That is you, right?" And then you hear another voice that wasn't there at the
Oh,
time.
no.
That was someone.
That was like
That was you, right?
Because that was behind me.
No, that was.
That was over there.
That was someone in it.
Right
That
there,
was-
the
did anyone
high
else
pitched
see it?
Yeah.
noise. Let's see if I can.
that was like
That was you, right?
Because that was behind me.
No, that was.
That was over there.
That was someone in it.
At
That was-
47
did anyone
seconds,
else-
it's like a right here.
That was someone in it.
So that was also an EVP captured that I didn't realize.
Okej,
was
var det
coming. A lot of stuff is going on
Okej, var det någon av dem som lät sådär? You.
here. Everybody was going crazy
Sick.
because, it's quite an experience when stuff like that happens and you don't know where it's coming from or anything like that.
Högt ljud.
After hearing a disembodied breath, the entire group are stunned to hear something on their short visit, almost certainly something none of them were expecting. This last upcoming video was captured on multiple motion cameras inside the hotel. As a guest was walking up the stairs while using a spirit box, it said something that caused the woman
Inte
to run
docka.
away.
Inte en docka.
Again, listen closely to this.
Today is Sunday, February 20th of 22 here at the Jefferson Hotel. We had a guest come in and she rented some ghost hunting equipment here at the front desk. And approximately 9:45, and she was talking to Pam, the other owner, my wife, downstairs. And so she grabs the piece of equipment and she heads upstairs, which is right here. You can see her heading upstairs right there. I'm going to show you the clip here in a second. Well, she was pretty skeptical about, the ghost hunting equipment and stuff like that. So she's using a spirit box and she's talking downstairs. It's like, all right, whatever. Well, maybe something will happen. Well, she gets upstairs, and actually in the stairwell is where all of our religious items are. You can see there's a cross right there. Cross is all where she is, and then, like stained glass. That's our little religious section. I will let you guys be the judge of kind of what is said, but you can hear something about the cross. She said she walked upstairs, and let me go to a different view because I've got some other angles here. Okay, so she said she walked upstairs and she just heard something come through the spirit box. It kind of paused and she thought maybe it stopped working, and then all of a sudden this deep voice comes through. There's where she looked, and now listen what she hears, and she gets freaked out. So you can see that's a genuine reaction of fear.
Oh, dear.
And she's looking around for someone. Listen again. You hear something and then the cross. So listen again. So I have a pretty good idea what it's saying, but, you know, I want you guys to form your own opinion. Here's another angle of it. This is actually from our doll head that we have upstairs that moves. It has a camera in it, and it picks it up a little bit better. Here we go.
Så den där lilla dockan där uppe, den där cykeln eller vad, den rör på sig. Det är den kameran genom ögat. Hur kul är det då att gå där som gäst och se det där huvudet röra sig? Vad läskigt. Fy fan.
Oh dear.
She's out of here. Now, what's pretty interesting about this, we're actually at the front desk. On our camera system, everything lines up at the exact same time. So you see if it's the front desk, right here at 10 o'clock, at this clip right here, you can see her. So actually about right here is when we should have heard her screaming, but nobody heard her screaming. Literally, the stairs are right behind my wife and then another customer, and nobody heard the screaming. So here's the footage where you can hear it in the camera, but you can't hear, you know, nobody reacts to it. You kind of hear it right there. So right there you can hear the scream, but nobody reacts to it. We couldn't hear it downstairs, and really not that far at all. So I'll play it one last time, and then you guys can, you know, make your decision about what you hear. I know what I hear, but it definitely, this again is an experience. It's not saying it's a ghost saying that or anything like that. You know, we don't force people to try to believe in the paranormal or anything like that. But if you do have an experience you want to share with us, please send it to our Facebook page, the Historic Jefferson Hotel. If you've ever had an experience here, and we'll get back with you.
Jeremy says he has a fair idea of what he can hear through the spirit box. But what do you think it says?
What she hears, and she gets freaked out.
Låter lite grann som du säger The Cross. Men svårt att säga om det är det den säger. Så då är det ljudkvalitet också. Så. Det är svår, den är svår.
Yeah.
What's cool about the historic Jefferson Hotel in Texas is that you can not only stay here, but, as Jeremy states in the last video, hire ghost hunting equipment and experience creepy stuff like this for yourself. Jeremy and Pam Jones don't attempt to convince anyone of the paranormal, but rather provide visitors with an experience. Check them out here on YouTube, Facebook, or on their website, historicjefferson.com. all of which are linked below in the video description. The Conjuring. Alex and Shane from the YouTube channel SAW Paranormal, along with their friends, visited and stayed overnight at the real-life Conjuring House, a century-old farmhouse of horrors in Harrisville, Rhode Island, where 7 children have died over the years, and of course the inspiration behind the Hollywood blockbuster movies. Alex and Shane made a full-length video about their time spent in the Conjuring House. However, it was a short clip that ended up getting everyone's attention. Watch this closely.
Oh my god, did you guys...
It's moving. The door's moving.
Jag känner igen.
Oh
Jag tror jag har haft med tidigare.
Shut the door. I don't think you can do it.
Holy shit. Holy shit. And what's that? The
flux went off.
The flux went off downstairs now. Jesus Christ. Alright.
Oh,
Alex is recording a doorway inside the Conjuring House after seeing one of the doors moving slightly on its own, when all of a sudden a dark shadow-like figure appears right as Alex pans away and towards the team. The mysterious figure seems to manifest within a second or so, because just moments earlier, no one is there. Recent viewers of Alex's video have suggested that this is merely just a shadow of someone else in the room at the time, For this reason, Alex made a follow-up video in an attempt to explain why this couldn't have been the case.
I wanted to come and kind of like tell my story of the experience staying in the Conjuring house overnight with my significant other and our friends that we had along at the time. I want all of you to know, while recording that shadow video, I didn't know it was in front of me, and when I went to look back, I tried everything in my power to debunk it. I want to make something aware. I want to make it really clear. Everyone's saying, oh my god, that's just your shadow. You literally when you are investigating, who holds a shadow like that? What do you... Ow, my knee. But, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, nobody's gonna hold the flashlight like that. Secondly, you can see through a shadow. You can see through a shadow. Keep in mind, this is a very lightened image. That is a solid motherfucking figure that I did not know was in front of me. I would have not been standing there. I am a demonologist and I have done extractions. I would not have been standing there intentionally had I known that that fellow was there, okay?
So, could Alex, Shane, and their friends have caught something truly paranormal on camera that night they spent at the Conjuring house? Drop a comment below and tell me what you think it was. Don't forget to check out Alex and Shane on their pages, all of which are linked below in the video description.
Fast andra sidan såg ut som hon hade keps. Och allihopa i stort sett hade keps på sig, va? Tyckte jag i alla fall. Jag såg. Det är också en sån där sårrackare. Men man såg lite grann genom armen liksom. Skugga, eller ja, figurens arm. Så att det kan ju vara en skuggfigur.
Description. I found this creepy photo online of a girl taking a selfie. However, there appears to be a person and/or unknown figure in the background. The girl seems unaware of this at the time as she wears a big smile on her face. Question is, was this just a regular person or something much creepier? Perhaps a shadow person, ghost, or spirit? As always, drop a comment down below and let me know what you think.
Svår. Sådär. Det var rätt läskig, tycker jag. Jag ryser fortfarande. Tack för att ni tittar nu. Gå in och kika på Shadowman. Han har säkert mycket annat bra. Det blir nog fler av hans videos i framtiden. I övrigt, ha fortsatt trevlig torsdag och så ses vi på söndag igen. Gör vi. Glöm inte bort att gilla och dela och kommentera om det så att någon ni vill säga. Och prenumerera. Det hjälper kanalen att växa. Så ha det bra. Så ses vi på söndag. Hej.